Hot topic.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi kudzina saki. I'm a man aged 38 years old, married with 3 kids. One of the 3 is my stepson. My wife akamitiswa in school, I reformed too, and she dropped school to become a mom full-time. So I met my wife at church and she was very open about her situation. Nevertheless, we had a great connection and I introduced her to my family and married her the following year. Nyaya yemwana yakagara ichinetsa with my parents kuti sei wakaroora mudzimai ane mwana wake. The biggest complication was the fact that my wife does not know the father of the child. She says she was involved with a senior student at school. This relationship started due to the sexual abuse from a relative at home. So when she got pregnant, no one bothered to get to the bottom of the matter since there was a family member involved. She made me swear never to repeat those words to anyone. It really troubled me why she engaged in intimate relationships at such an age, but it only made sense after ataura kuti pane munhu mukuru who abused her. It could have been a trauma response. We went into counseling. I needed it more because she opened up. Ndatonyura zvekudaro. Ndanga ndatoona life yangu naye kare, so this did not affect my decision, as hard as it was to accept. Thanks to the therapist watakaona, she really helped her confront her past, although she refused to shame the abusive relative from her family. So my hot topic is we moved in with the son, Ndarora, and my family wese. My 2 sisters and parents never accepted this boy. When my wife was pregnant with our first child, we would go to family events naye and they would treat him really bad. My big sister came to me and said, Mama vakutorwara ne BP because of mwana uyu. You need to talk to your wife. Mwana aende kuna baba wake. I was forced to open up to my sister kuti anzwisise just how complicated this situation is. I told her everything, hoping she would keep a secret. But no, she didn't. Ndakaudza mama, and in no time everyone knew my wife's story. I regret this, ladies. My marriage has suffered. My wife accuses me of betraying her trust, when all I was trying to do was defend her. Intimacy is now an issue. I have to go by when she feels like. Any attempt to touch her, she brings back her past and tells me that I'm being rough and forceful, and it triggers her past year abuse. I crave a bond with a woman. My marriage is facing many attacks, and I think ndakundikana now. I keep fighting thoughts of having a girlfriend on the side. She refuses counseling, saying, I can no longer trust you with my secrets. I told her I won't push it, since akazvitakura now. I'm in desperate need of your assistance. Ndoita say na KVG. You're a hot topic yet, yanamhlanje.
Manxiwe, thank you so much. Our friends are from Hamilton Insurance, proud sponsors of our hot topic. Remember, you too can write in. We managed to harvest, I think, 2 hot topics in the previous hour. Munokwanisa kutinyorera zvakare during this hour before we get to 6. Tifambire nyaya dzenyu. Feel free to connect with us at 0772-162-651. Hot topic yedu yanhasi munoiona sei yatanyorerwa nemurume ane makore 38 achitsanangura nyaya yake nemudzimai wake. How do we assist this guy? You can feel free to get in touch with us at Tifambire. Star FM sounding
kanisa pakutongoudza sisi vake kuti so because ukangodaro sisi vacho vagara havatomudi mukadzi. Obviously she was going to make sure kuti she does something she drive the family she drive her away, he the wife. Saka now inangu I don't blame the wife, honestly. In other ways tongoti wazenzela wakazviitira wega. So yeah.